Now, the runaway murder figures in 2022 is again the source of worry for the opposition PNP. It has prompted fresh calls for the introduction of new minds with new ideas in the posts of Police Commissioner and National Security Minister. Dwayne Anderson has this report.
We have had enough of this minister.
Dr. Dayton Campbell said it is time for Dr. Horace Chang to be fired as National Security Minister. The PNP General Secretary pointed to the number of murders this year, close to 1,000, as proof that the country's crime-fighting chiefs are not up to the job.
When the current Prime Minister was leader of opposition, he made a statement that if the country loses confidence in a minister, then that minister must go. Now I saw a Danandisa poll just last week, and in that poll it said that 93% of the country said they don't have any confidence in Horace Chang or the Commissioner of Police. So I want to ask the Prime Minister, what are you waiting on to change your Minister of National Security and change the Commissioner of Police?
For Dr. Campbell, the poor performances of the Security Minister and the Police Commissioner reflect poorly on Andrew Holness as the country's Prime Minister.
It's normally the two you go together because it is the Prime Minister that appoints the Minister of National Security. And so the crime situation is as much his problem as it is the Minister of National Security. Because he was the one who was running up and down and telling you that if him win, you can leave windows and doors open.
He reasoned that the decision by many Jamaicans to migrate is partly due to the crime situation, so it is critical that solutions are found. The former Member of Parliament therefore reaffirmed the PNP's commitment to building a consensus with the JLP to try and solve crime. And speaking about migration, Dr. Campbell highlighted what he saw as the irony in the words and actions of members of the JLP.
And we hear of the numbers of teachers leaving. And then we hear a deputy mayor from Montego Bay say that if you leave your country to go work a foreign, you're a coward. Then hold on a second. The government of Jamaica spent over $40 million to campaign to get Kamina Johnson-Smith to a foreign work. So $40 million that we spent to build one coward.
He was speaking at a divisional conference in St. Andrews Southwestern on Sunday. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.